Hey guys, this is just a quick video on how to use the night load feature in Windows 10. I found it really useful, so hopefully it will be the same help for you guys. It's really simple to use and set up. You just right click on the desktop anywhere and then click on display settings, just the second one from the bottom. And then you can see it's at the top here. It's on at the moment. So we want to look at nightlight settings. So I'll click on there and this is what it looks like. It just kind of turns everything red. You might think, how the hell does this actually help me sleep? Because it's just changing the color of the screen. That's kind of what I thought as well. But it really does help. It helps your body to induce the chemicals that cause sleep, which blue light from the computer screen prevents. And this reduces the blue light, so it does help. You can turn the strength up or down here. That's a bit hardcore, kind of looks like Hellraiser style. This one it's just kind of normal, so just sort of in the middle. It's about right, about 50. Yeah, so I'll turn it off because it's only 5 o'clock. Yeah, and you can set the schedule here. You can set it for any hour and any quarter of an hour. And this is when you want it to come on and when you want it to turn off. Just whenever you wake up, really. This one doesn't really matter though, because hopefully when you go to bed, you'll get a good night's sleep and you won't wake up. Yeah, so when you've got it how you like it, you can just click the X up here and that closes the screen and that's sorted for bedtime. I hope this helped you guys anyway, and if you can, please subscribe. Take care.